Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a art 3D gel. I think they call it 4D, even though I think 3D pop out. I don't know why it's called 4D. So yeah, I have what, 12 colors here. So I bought these on AliExpress a while ago. I think they're in one of my hauls. If I can remember, I'll put it up top, although I flip it, so maybe it's like over here, I don't know. So these I have done a couple tutorials with, but I don't think you've seen them. So I don't know, I don't have it here. But I'll give you a demo on these guys. So I wanted to, let me say so one more time. I wanted to get some colored ones because the holiday seasons are coming up and I'm dreaming like a really pretty fall set, even though I already did one with a flower, but like, just think, look at all the fun things I could potentially do. So I'm gonna go ahead and open all these real quick, and then we will get into the different colors, and then I'll give you a quick demo. First off, I wanna say these are like filled to the brim. And this guy, I've used him for like 3 or 4 flowers. And I don't know, my camera's gonna be too bright. There we go. Like, he's filled to the brim. I don't know if you could tell, they're 2 different kind of whites. This is a very, very white, and this is a white, but it's not as bright. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, I don't think you would ever notice the difference on the nail. One is that super bright white, and I really like it. We have 02, which is your black, and you can see they are really, really up there. 03 is your red. I was concerned it didn't have a red because this might look more red, but I thought this was definitely an orange. 4 is that nice cobalt blue. 5, yes. So I really wanted the pink ones as well to do flowers because I thought neon flowers, why not? 6 is your baby pink. Ooh, how pretty would it be to marble these bad boys? Right? Marbling these together? 7 is your darker green, which would be perfect for leaves. You could also probably add some white if you need a lighter green. We have your yellow, 08. We have your 9, which is your purple. 10, which is your brown. 11, which is your orange. So I'll show you against 3, which is your red. And last but not least, your 12. All right, so what I did is I buffed the stick and then I put tack on. In one of my tutorials, I don't put tack on, and then it just goes kind of, you know. So let's, should I go ahead and try to marble? I've never done it before. Or should I just do like pink? Let's see. We'll do number 5 and number 1, which is your 2 colors. So you want these to be super, super small. So I'm going to show you on the pink one how much I get out. Since I'm going to be marbling them, I'm going to get out a smaller amount. But y'all, when I mean tiny, I mean tiny. These ones are much softer. Have your alcohol or cleanser, that's what's in here, cleanser. And I use a little one of these silicone tools that have that little pointed thing. I don't have any art brushes, so I'm not going to be using art brushes. I'm going to be using this. So I kind of just roll it on, and then I kind of tap it on there because I don't want it to be super wet. And we are going to push in the center. So center, and then use the body, and you want to make sure it's not sticky, because if it is sticky, then you are going to have a really good time trying to get this gel off of your silicone tool. So that's the first petal. I'm gonna flash cure that. Okay, coming in with the third. I'm so happy with that marbling. It's not really marbling, it's kind of just like a little extra something, but you know. These are so much easier to work with than the other one. The other one was very dry. Third bead. I probably don't need a ton of cleanser because this is actually much better. I should have moved it a little bit this one. Whoopsies. So I'm just kind of bringing it behind it to move it over because I want some more overlap. Like so. All right, there's that quick flower. Nothing too hard, just pretty flat. I didn't do it as flat as I normally do it. I usually spread them out pretty far so they get thin in like this area down here. I really like that look. It gets thin so you can kind of see the color under it. I mean, the world is your oyster, so definitely do what you want to do. So I'm obsessed. All right, I have this link below on Amazon, so thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.